Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Spice Rack's Secret Series, the place to uncover the mystery of spices. Today, we're going to dive into the secret journey of turmeric, the golden spice of life. Bright, bold, and ancient, it's a root that colors both our food and our history. From cozy mugs of golden milk to rich Indian curries and post-workout smoothies, turmeric is having a serious moment. It brings color, warmth, and a grounding flavor that's impossible to ignore. And that golden hue? That's not just for looks. It's part of what makes turmeric so special. But before it became a modern superfood, it had a sacred past. To uncover turmeric's roots, we'll travel back thousands of years to ancient India. Turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years in Indian culture as food, medicine, and spiritual tool. Ancient healers used it to treat wounds and support digestion, while priests and families used turmeric paste in weddings and religious rituals. It even dyed clothing and sacred fabrics a brilliant yellow. More than a spice, it was a symbol of purity, health, and prosperity. But before turmeric became sacred or spicy, it had to grow beneath the soil. Turmeric comes from a root-like structure called a rhizome, just like its cousin, ginger. Farmers plant these golden fingers in warm, tropical soil, where they grow quietly for months beneath leafy green stalks. Once mature, the roots are pulled from the earth, vibrant, earthy, and packed with potential. It's nature's gold, straight from the ground. And once harvested, turmeric can take on several forms, each with its own personality. Turmeric can be used fresh, dried, ground into powder, or packed into capsules. Fresh root is strong, peppery, and perfect for steeping into teas or broths. Powdered turmeric is the kitchen go-to for curries, stews, and marinades. And for health buffs, capsules concentrate its benefits in supplement form. However you use it, this spice is flexible, flavorful, and powerful. But turmeric isn't just about flavor. Its real fame comes from what's inside. Meet curcumin, the superstar compound inside turmeric. It helps fight inflammation, supports joint health, and may even protect your brain and heart. While it's not a cure-all, curcumin has earned serious respect from both ancient healers and modern scientists. One tiny molecule, a world of benefits, and believe it or not, you don't need much turmeric to make a big impact. Just a teaspoon of turmeric delivers antioxidants and essential minerals like iron. But here's the catch. Curcumin isn't absorbed well on its own. Enter black pepper. Just a pinch boosts absorption by up to 2,000%, making this duo a dynamic nutritional team. And all over the world, cooks have known this secret for centuries. In India, turmeric lights up dals and masalas. In Thailand, it flavors bold curry pastes. In the Middle East, it adds golden depth to rice. And in Indonesia, it enriches rendang with color and spice. Wherever you go, turmeric leaves its golden mark, both visually and on the palate. But turmeric's magic isn't limited to the kitchen. It's also woven into tradition. In Indian weddings, turmeric is applied to the bride and groom in a blessing ceremony called haldi. It's believed to purify, protect, and bring good luck. You'll also find it in religious rituals and sacred art, like the golden kolam patterns drawn on doorsteps. It's a spice that carries meaning far beyond taste. Ready to cook with turmeric at home? Here are a few pro tips to keep in mind. To bring out turmeric's flavor, always cook it briefly in warm oil before adding other ingredients. Pair it with black pepper to boost its benefits and use just a little. It goes a long way. And a word of caution. It stains like crazy. Clothes, counters, and fingers beware. This spice leaves a golden trail. From ancient scrolls to golden lattes, turmeric has earned its place in history and in our hearts. For millennia, turmeric has healed, colored, flavored, and inspired. It's a staple in rituals, a star in recipes, and a hero in wellness routines. This humble root proves that nature's most powerful gifts don't need flash. They just need a little gold dust. Warm, wise, and timeless, turmeric is truly a golden spice for life. Love these golden nuggets of food wisdom? Subscribe and join us on more vibrant journeys through flavor and history.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.